Hi guys, Ronnie here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For you guys that are new here on my channel, welcome back. This is the Boxycharm table of content unboxing, and we're going to be diving into the June box. This month is June Pride Month, and let's get to unboxing. As always with my monthly reviews of the Boxycharm base box, I will be giving my honest opinion while reviewing the products. Some I will use now, some I will use at a later date, but I'll always keep it 100 on this channel so you guys get the best use out of this review. If you guys are all prepped, ready, and set to get going, let's do some unboxing. As always, make sure you click like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let's get into our box. Do you have a Boxycharm box? Do you have a lunch box?
Do you carry a lunch box?
Let's get started. Per usual, this is the base box for $25 a month. You get 5 full-size items ranging anywhere from palettes to skincare to different tools and makeup applicators. You don't know what's inside your box until you open up. So come along with me and let's open up our box to see what's inside. Now, Boxycharm always keeps it nice, cute, fun, and fresh. They have this little card which has the items on it. So from top to bottom, we have the OPV Beauty Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette, which is this guy right here. Nice color story moment. It is, let me see, a 16 shade? Can't count. 6, 12, 18 shades. 18 shades right there, so you guys get a nice little close-up. So it does have a lot of shimmers, I will say. Not something I am used to, though I will always give it a try. The diverse array of shades ensure that your look stand out, featuring the essential matte shades to create depth from subtle golden shimmers all the way to bold blue metallic. The possibilities are endless. Created with all skin types in mind, the formula is smooth, buttery, and highly pigmented. Let's just test that out, shall we? All right, we do. Let's see this blue right here, how that goes up. Ooh, okay. Okay, let's go swatches. Ooh, okay, so it's a nice chrome light, like an ocean blue. Okay, so highly pigmented. I will say these are highly pigmented. All right, first item out of the box, check. Next, we have the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. That's a mouthful. That is this guy. Let me see. So Coconut Skin Smooth Priming Moisturizer, safe for sensitive skin, base hydrante. I'll go into a different language. Never mind. Formulated with coconut water and other superfood ingredients, this complexion enhancing moisturizer instantly brightens, hydrates, and smooths while helping blur the appearance of pores. The result is beautiful, healthy looking skin when worn alone and alongside makeup when used as a prep. Okay, let's give this a quick try. Ooh. Ooh, consistency creamy, just like a regular moisturizer. Okay. Okay, so it leaves it definitely a little tacky and sticky, but smooth. Ooh, I might just use this as a regular moisturizer. Moving on down to number 3. Ooh, a brand. Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glowdient Makeup Palette. Okay then, let's just see what's in here. Ooh, all right. So hashtag Glowdient Makeup Palette. Ooh, cute. Ooh, okay, so when they meant gradient, all right. So it is a gradient of all different shades. It looks like more of a highlight, I would say. What's this say? A multi-face palette with gorgeous gradient shades that use your own natural beauty to glisten, bronze, and add the perfect flirty flush. So looking here goes from lightest to darkest with a little bit of a bronze moment in the middle. I will say this is more like a, yeah, definitely more of a highlight. Like, we'll just go down each one of these. Okay, so not bad, very pigmented, very shiny. We'll have to give that a try as some highlight, but not bad. Touch and Soul coming through again. Let's go. All right, moving on down to number 4, we have the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. Okay. Ooh, Thank God. Last time, dark. This time, looks like the perfect shade. Pretty vulgar. All right, so nice component. Let's see what the applicator looks like. All right, so it is in a doe foot, so that makes it a little bit easier application. Let's see what this says. This lightweight gel serum concealer is hydrating, buildable, and gives medium coverage with a natural, flawless finish. Infused with vitamin E and 𝕭𝒩𝒏𝒻, if I pronounce that right, to keep skin moisturized and improve appearance. The angle doe foot applicator precisely applies the velvety formula to visibly brighten the complexion and cover dark circles. This blendable, long-wearing concealer is for all skin types. Agreed. Okay then, so let's see how this swatches. Ooh, okay, so nice and clean coverage. Okay. We'll see, it might be slightly dark for me, but definitely a lot lighter than my last one that I had from Shape Tape. So this is a plus. So we'll definitely have to give this a try. And last but certainly not least, we have the LOVESCRIPT Wild Lavender Body Wash. Ooh, your body is a temple. Worship it. Love that. Oh, love me the smell of lavender. Okay, let's see what the card says. So this luxurious, super thick daily body cleanser creates an epic velvety foam with just a dollop. Put directly into your bath poof or pour into the bath for delicious velvety bubbles. The wild lavender fragrance will soothe and elevate your senses. Alrighty then. Well guys, those are the 5 items for this month's Boxycharm unboxing. From top to bottom, once again, we have the OPV Beauty Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette, the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer, Touch in Soul Pretty and Filter Glowdient Makeup Palette, the Pretty Vulgar Under Eye Concealer, perfect shade, and finally the LOVESCRIPT Wild Lavender Body Wash. Ooh, pricing. Ooh. So the OPV Beauty Eyeshadow Palette retails for $40. The First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Smoothie Priming Moisturizer, $30. Touch in Soul Pretty in Filter Glowdient Makeup Palette is $34. The Pretty Vulgar Concealer, $24. And the LOVESCRIPT Wild Lavender Body Wash is $28. Okay, so that's $156. 56? Pretty sure that's right. All right, so $156. 5 full-size items for $25 a month. Again, you're smart enough, you do the math, maybe yes, maybe no, I don't know, you tell me. 5 full-size items for $25 a month. So this concludes the review portion of this video. Now I'm gonna put together a quick makeup and wearable look for work. Still stick around, you may learn a thing or two, but I'll be right back. All right, so I had just finished doing my brows. They're looking good. I had actually just touched them up. I didn't even use really brow stuff. I just used the Natasha Denona in this darker shade. Honestly, it's been working pretty well. It wears nice and it's my exact shade. So have it going for that. And then for eye primer, I actually use the Pretty Vulgar because I swear to God, if you don't have time to prime, you're doing makeup wrong, but just kidding. No, the Pretty Vulgar concealer, it covers very nicely, and again, a nice skin tone shade when I want to do some concealer. Once again, we are going to be jumping into the OPV Beauty London Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette and going to be doing a wearable eye look today for work. So let's see, let's do a quick review of these shades. Again, they do have a lot of shimmers and just a few mattes, but I do see a little idea that's stirring up that I could possibly use. All right, so I think I figured out what I want to do. So putting that down for a second, I'm going to be using the Lavish eyeshadow brushes from the April May box. I forget, but I'm going to put these babies to work. Very fluffy. All right, let's go. So what I'm thinking is dipping into this reddish mauve shade over here that's called Star. So let's give that a shot and see. Whether it's the concealer or the pigment, good combination. Let's keep it going. Well, damn, son, like that pigment, let's go. Then I'm gonna be dipping into this shimmery crimson shade, I will say, crimson red called Deplug. And I just wanna see how it picks up on the brush first. All right, so I had dipped into this darker shade here, Edge, and just put that in the crease and along the outer edge, so that definitely helped to save it. Now moving on to the next eye. All right, I think I'm gonna touch into the exposure, which is this dark black. I'm gonna dust it so it's more of like a gray, and then maybe top with one of these bluish green shimmers. So let's see how that works out. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad indeed. Just darkened it up a little bit more in the crease, just because blacks are some of those that definitely can be unforgiving, and if you go a little too hard and don't blend it out enough, then it will leave you looking like somebody punched you, or maybe not what you want for a turnout. All right, and next I want to dip into this corner blue color called Dream. You know, I'm just gonna start off with my finger first, just to be sure. So pick some of that up. Ooh, okay. Yeah, not a lot of payoff. All right, so I was able to fix this eye a little bit better. I used Hype, which is this aquamarine blue shimmer cross shade, we'll just call it that. So I put that right all over the lid. I had to stamp into it to put on the lid, but I do think it had a good turnout. And then I went back in with exposure to deepen up this outer corner, just to help blend that into the Hype. So eyes are looking good. Now the moment of truth. Do I put on liner? Don't want to mess this up. I have to leave for work soon. I'm gonna say no, but I am going to maybe put a little imitation liner on. So I'm not gonna use liquid liner. I'm gonna go back in with exposure and just stamp right on my lash line. There you go. All right, and there we have it. This side a little bit darker, so it may be hard to see, but it is there. On this red side, it definitely makes my eyelashes pop. Let's go. Then just to finish it off, I'm gonna be dipping with the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara, just to add some volume to these lashes. Okay, so no lashes today, but got some volume going on here. Well, guys, I think that is it. That is it for today's Boxycharm review. We've gotten the review done. We've gotten the eyes nice and set. I'm on my way to work. Gonna do a quick change, but I hope you guys really had fun with this review this month. I definitely did, especially for this Pride month. I'm so excited. Pride is this weekend. I am so excited and I can't wait. As always, click like down below, comment, subscribe, and click that bell icon for every time I upload a brand new video. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, night, wherever you are in this world, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.